Hey y'all, Carolina Tony, thank you for stopping by my channel. Today our adventure begins in Columbia, South Carolina, and I am at Riverbanks Zoo and Gardens, and we're going to look around the gardens. I have read that there are remnants of an old textile mill here on the river, and we are going to investigate. And we'll get started, but right after this station identification. Fortunately, there is a map. It says we're here and the ruins are way down here. This is the remnants of the Saluda Factory, or the Saluda Factory ruins as it's known. The factory was built in 1834 and it was one of the first water-powered textile mills in South Carolina. During the Civil War, this mill was used to produce cloth to make soldiers' shirts and uniforms. Before Sherman burned Columbia, he encamped around this area, and this was one of the first places they set on fire. After the Civil War, a new wooden factory was built right on top of the granite foundation. But then, by accident, on August the 2nd, 1884, another fire was started, and this time it burnt it to the ground and it was never rebuilt. All right, that's going to do it for our tour to the old Saluda Mill and the gardens here at Riverbanks Zoo. Be forewarned, it's a nice hike down to the river, but it's had about 5 or 6 adjectives to get back up the hill. Again, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to tell your family and friends and share on your social media. But until next time, y'all have a good day.